Hey everyone, it's Alexander Crawl, and I'm here for another part in Link's Awakening. Hoot, how many instruments have you gotten so far? When you play the instruments in front of the egg, the windfish will awaken. You will leave this island now. You must hasten to the Yarna Desert. The dark, monstrous inhabitants of the sand will show you the way. Hoot hoot. So I gotta go find this desert, which I'm guessing is where the owl is. So I just gotta go to the right. Okay. Sorry about the long wait between uploads because I was sick. Really sick. I'm still sick. Not as bad. I just couldn't talk. That was the main issue. My voice was really bad. Alright, where's this desert? It's down lower, more south. He just said to go to the desert. That's where the answer will be. I'm not going anywhere near a desert. Sure doesn't look like a desert to me. There's a mermaid there, though. Yeah, I have to go to the waterfall, I know that. That's what the message said. The message told me that I was supposed to go to the waterfall, and that was where the next dungeon is, I'm guessing. But that guy has told me that I have to go to the desert. Oh! Gotcha. Alright, well, if I'm not mistaken, this is one of those jump and fly thingies to get over there. Nope. So you get over there from above. Huh. Oh no. Sorry about me coughing, guys. I'm sick. I just had to record. I felt so bad not recording for so long. What does this sign say? Is the desert up north? Alright, well I died. Which gives me time to think about where this desert could be. I'm thinking it's more up north, just by looking at this map. Yeah, I'm gonna go check up north. I know it said something about a waterfall. And a desert. Wherever the desert is, I have no idea. Wherever the waterfall is, I have no idea. I'll certainly find them if I look hard enough. Can't go into the castle. I know it's not here. I've already been in the castle. Where's my sword? There you go. Oh wait, I can talk to this guy. Let's see. Southeast. Southeast, and it's pretty obvious. Alright, I said this is southeast. So let's just from here, let's just go south a lot. Let's go south as much as we can. Keep going south until I can't go south anymore. What the heck? Let's hop over this. Somehow, using Pegasus boots and Feather probably could. Yeah. Huh. What? Where's the start? I'm lost. Confusing. Yep, I'm getting out of here. No, I'm gonna get lost. No. Yay. Now how am I supposed to get down there? Southeast, not west. Oh, it's the northeast. Now if I can just go south from here. Yes, okay. Come on. I can make that jump. No. I can make that jump. No. I refuse to believe I couldn't make that jump. That's the key I need. That's the next dungeon right here. Alright guys, so I found the next dungeon. Now I just need the angler key, which is in the desert. For whatever reason. The key to the water is in the desert. That makes sense to you. What the heck? How do I get out of here? Oh, here we go. Probably really far. Yeah, I'm about halfway down now. I guess I just go back to where I was before. Still absolutely lost. And I died. Where do I even show up? No. Alright, let's go back in here. I gotta find a way. What's in... What? Oh! Thief! I see you have a nice stick. Can I borrow it for a second? You can. Oh my gosh. Huh. Wait. The stick became the honeycomb. I wasn't even that injured. I didn't even know this was a fairy cave, to be honest. Just want to see what it was. Yeah, this is not the way to go. What's north of this? Oh. That's nothing. I can't even swim. Let's try going over here. There we go. Well, I gotta use Pegasus boost to leap across this, don't I? Let's do it. Well, I fail. How am I supposed to get in there? Nope. That's to get back to town. Yeah. Whoops. Oh my gosh, I suck. Jeez. Alright, there we go. Who's in here? Light it up. I don't have any magic powder left. Hmm. 50. That is very nice. Wall. Levers. There's nothing in here. I've been all these places then. Well, guys, I'm not really sure where I'm supposed to be going. No, I lost. I'll be back at the cave, it's fine. Yep. Jeez. Yeah. Let's go. I'm not actually sure where I can go, but I'm sure I'll figure something out, you know? I always did before in this game, so should be able to now. How would now be any different, even though it's a little bit harder to figure out where to go. I'm sure it has something with that area, which was down here and to the right, wasn't it? Did I lose it? Nope, it's right there. I know it is. It has to be. What's in here? I did it! Yeah! Let's go. Let's get this thing in here and this thing in here. South. No! It's fine. It's fine. Find what's over here real quick. Nope, nothing. Those Zoras. Yes, they are. I'm an idiot for touching that. Huh? Oh, okay. At least I'm heading in the right direction. I think I am. Secrets are like water when it comes to bridges. I don't even know what that means. So I assume I don't have the ability to figure it out yet. I had to go in there to avoid the stupid little rock thing. Acts like one of those Armos statues. Such a nice day. We need this on from Aaron. He's here? They really need to change it so that we can write these pots with our sword. Makes no sense why you shouldn't be able to. So it's like gonna be like a Snorlax. Let's see. Okay. That one lady was mean. Hey, did you know Animal Village and May Village are sister cities? Yes, even though they aren't large enough to be called cities. Anyway, I heard from a very good source they have a dream shrine in Maeve that has something good inside. Is that true? It's a very, very good question. I have no idea. You don't know the proper etiquette when dealing with a lady, do you? You should have brought flowers or something. So I need flowers. Oh my gosh, I just touched her again, twice. Sorry, lady. Get out of here. I got the beehive, at least. Marin, I just got the beehive. Hi ho, hey you. Supposed to be a beehive you have? I just ran out. Were you swapping for a pineapple? Yes. Hi ho, yeah, I know. Probably he was asleep right in the way of to Yarma Desert. Once he's asleep, he won't budge for a long time. But hey, take little Marin and wake him up with her song. That slob would wake up with a jump if he heard her sing, for sure. Nope, I already have the sword out. Okay, we're good. Zzz. I need that girl from the village back there, don't I? That was way back there. Whoa! Secret cave I found. I don't know where it goes, but it goes somewhere. I'm guessing... jump! And dodge these guys. Whoops. Alright, well. I'm almost done with this episode. If I die, or if I get through this. And I can't. So, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you liked it, and please subscribe for more. See ya.